All right, so compatible number. What is a compatible number? Damien. Good. A compatible number is a number that is close to the one that you are trying to multiply or divide, but it's easier to mentally do the math on. You guys want to go ahead and get out your math books, please? Because everybody else has theirs out. Around 4.5. Okay, so we are going to be doing division with compatible numbers, okay? The most common compatible numbers are the 25s and 50s, okay, money. But that is when we are doing multiplication, okay? 25 is not so easy to divide unless you're dividing by 5, okay? Or you're dividing $1 by quarters. Yeah. So something like... So we're going to be looking for numbers that we can easily divide. Okay, so it's not just the 25 that we talked about in multiplication. All right, so it says here on our page, a horse's heart beats 132 times in 3 minutes. About how many times does it beat in 1 minute, okay? So I want to find out how many times it beats in 1 minute. They told me it beats 132 times in 3 minutes. So now I got to divide that to see how many times it beats in 1 minute. Okay, so we're going to use compatible numbers. So we have 132 divided by 3. That's hard to do in your head, right? Yes. It's not like it's an easy number with a 0 at the end where we can quickly divide, right? Because 13 doesn't divide by 3 evenly, so then we got to carry it over and bring down and do the whole long division thing. Okay, so now we're going to try to find a compatible number that would make it easier for us to divide. Okay, so we have basic facts. They give us 2 options for basic facts, so we can go up or we can go down. So I have 13 here, and if I wanted to go up a number, going up a number would be 14. Can we divide 14 by 3 and make it easy? No, right? Because nothing times 3 equals 14, right? We can go up another one and go up to 15. Can we divide 15 by 3?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty easy. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay? And we can also go down a number, right? 12 divided by 3. Can we do that?
Yep.
4. Okay. So now I have 2 facts. I've got 2 basic facts. I have this basic fact, and I have this basic fact. Which one is closest to the number? Is 150, because that's basically what this is going to be. 150 closest to 132, or is 120 closer to 132? 120 is going to be closer, so that's the one I want to go with, right? Okay, so I'm going to go 120 or 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is what? 4. How many zeros did I cross off? 1. Okay, so if I'm estimating how many, then it would be 40. Okay, so I have 120 is the same as how many 10s?
12. 10.
David, how many 10s? How many 10s? Okay, so 120 is the same as 12 10s. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 12 10s divided by 3 is how many 10s? 4 10s, right? Because the 0 just means 10s.
Yes.
All right. And so 120 divided by 3 is 40. So horse's heartbeat beats about 40 times a minute. About 40 times a minute. About tells me to estimate, right?
Yes. Not an exact answer.
Yes, Elise?
I have a question.
Okay.
So, 15, are you going to always add a 0 at the end of it?
Well, what's here?
150.
Okay. So am I going to go from 132 just to 15? No. Okay, see what I'm doing? Yeah. I'm just going the closest basic fact. Any questions about that?
No.
Daniel?
I don't really get 112.
Okay, I started off at 132. What's a basic fact? Just basically like the first two numbers, right? Okay, so I went 13, I went up, and I went down. Remember like the highs and lows that we did at the beginning of the week? Yeah. You go up and you go down, high and low. Okay, so I went up till I got to something I can divide by 3, and I went down till I got to something divided by 3, and see which one's closest.
Oh.
Okay, Heather?
No, under the roof. Yeah.
Sorry, Heather. Hold on. Heather? Because if you are writing numbers, if I go, I want you to write from 13. Just write numbers from 13 to 20. Are you going to write upwards like this? It's just the direction. You write, when you write numbers, you write like this, right? And is that going up or down? I'm writing downwards, but what is the numbers going? Okay. Just how you write. Don't get confused on that. Maricela. What do you mean how I put the 12? You have 13 here. What's 1 less than 13? What's 1 plus 13? Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's do 173 divided by 4. 173 divided by 4. I want to find a basic fact. So I'm going to look at the first two numbers, right? Because that's going to give me a basic fact. Can I divide 17 divided by 4? Can I divide 17 by 4?
No.
No. Okay. Do you want to start up or start down? You want to go up? What's the next number? 18. Can you do 18 divided by 4?
Yes. No. Yes. No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, what times 4 equals 18?
Nothing.
Okay, so please don't argue with something unless you're sure, right? Let's keep going. 19. Can we go 19 divided by 4?
No.
No. How about 20? Can we go 20?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go the other way. What's 17 minus 1?
16.
16. Can we go 16 divided by 4?
Yeah.
What's closer, 20 or 16?
16.
Okay. 16 is closer, right? And this is a hundredth number, right? So 160 divided by 4. You're jumping ahead of me. Please don't jump ahead of me. We'll go over those ones, right?
I thought it would be 20 because if you round like, I was going with just 7.
Okay. Heather? Whatever works the best for you. Okay. So it's gonna be late or? Okay. All right. So yes, Malia.
So I thought you should get 20 though. If you round 17 up, it'll go to 20.
Okay. Now let's take a look. Let's do two. So it's 200. It's not 20, right? It's 200.
Yeah.
And 173 and 160, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many is it to get to 200? 73, 83, 93, that's 27, right? This is a difference of 27. Okay. How about this difference? 13. Which one's closest to 173? Okay. We're not rounding, are we? Okay. We are not rounding.
you put yes for the number, or would you put like 13? When you put yes, you got that's the one I was like.
Oh, Senor Lotus here. Alright, please get out your Spanish. It says use compatible numbers to find two estimates that the quotient is between the high and the low, right?
Yes.
So I need estimates so that the quotient is between. So I have 1,382 divided by 5. So I need to find two numbers that are close to 1,382 that can divide easily by 5. Okay, so basic fact is generally going to be the first two numbers, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to go up and I'm going to go down until I find something that's close to 13. Okay, if I go up a number, what's my next number? Abishai.
14.
So it'd be 14 what?
14 divided by
1400, right? Because I have 4 digits here, I've got to have 4 digits there. Can 14 be divided by 5? No. Okay, so I'm going to go up another number. What's my next number?
1500.
Can 15 be divided by 5?
Yes.
Okay, so that is my which number? High or low? High number. Alright, now I'm going to find my low. 12. Can that be divided by 5?
I can't do it.
How about 11?
No.
I'm going to run out of room. I'm going to go over here, okay? 10.
Yes.
And this is my low number. So, right here, 10 divided by 5 is a basic fact, and 15 divided by 5 is a basic fact. So then, 1,382 is between which two numbers?
11,000.
Where do you get 11,000 and 14?
10,000 and 1,500. No, 15,000. 1,000 and 15,000.
Not 15,000.
1,500.
So is between 1,000 my low number, right? Right here.
Yes.
And my high number.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody understand that?
Yes.
Just like before. Get a high number, get a low number. Okay. So, my low then is 1,000 divided by 5. And my high is 1,500 divided by 5. What's 1,000 divided by 5?
2.
Okay. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and I've got 2 zeros. 15 divided by 5 is
300.
2 zeros. Okay. So my answer then should be between 200 and 300. I don't know what to tell you. You go up the number, you go down the number. Just like 4.1. You need to rewatch the video if you don't remember. Okay. Yes. We're not rounding.
You told me that too.
We are not rounding. Because rounding 1,382 is going to do what? Oops. What's it going to make it? Okay, so how do I go up? I can't round up, right? It's not about rounding. Make a high and a low number. Okay, let's do some of the examples. On the Sharon show.
Yay. Sure.
Okay, so I have 1,718. Let's do it in the middle. Divided by 4. Basic facts is which numbers? What numbers do I underline? Heather. The first two numbers, basic facts, right? Can 17 be divided by 4? No. I need to go up and I need to go down. So let's go up. So plus 1 is what? 18. There's 4 digits there. I got a 4 digits. Okay. Okay, 18, can 18 be divided by 4? No, let's keep going. How about 19?
No.
How about 20?
Yes.
Right, so this is 500. And that is higher than our number or lower than our number?
Higher.
Now I gotta find my lower number. So 17, next one is 16. Can 16 be divided by 4?
Yeah.
And this is higher or lower?
But then, do you two make, you put, 400 low and then, 500 high on the...
It depends on what it's asking you. This one is asking you for both, right? I've got 2. Bailey. I've got 2 here, so I need to find 2. So I have 1,600 and 2,000. Basic fact then is 16 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4. Okay, and you're going to choose 1,600. Why?
Because it's lower. Oh, because it's the closest one.
It's only 118 difference, right? If I take 718 minus 1,600, it's only 118 difference, where this is about 300 around, right?
Yes.
16 is closer to 17 than 20 is to 17. So I'm going to choose 16 because it's closest. Okay? So then my answer is going to be 400. So 1,718 is about 400. Or divided by 7 is about 400.
What if you have an even number like the one you have right now? Like the one we're going to work on right now.
Well, let's work on that one, and then we'll figure that out, okay? Okay, so it just depends. Generally, you're going to choose one of them, whatever's the closest, Heather, okay? You're going to get a high, you're going to get a low, and you're going to choose whatever the closest one is. Yes, Ricky. What do you mean? Before which 18? To 1,718. My 7 just blended with my 1. Okay, let's look at our on our own. Where's my other paper? Oh my goodness.
Everyone has stuff in it. That's odd. Yes, that is odd.
Yeah, it didn't capture.
By the way, that was so
Okay, so let's do the first one. It says 455 divided by 9. Okay. Basic fact is what? What numbers should I underline? Hayes. 45. Can 9 go into 45?
Yes.
Yes, but it can't go into 5. So all I want to do is maybe change that to a 0. Yes, to a 0. Do you understand that?
Okay, just put down here your 4
Right, because I want to go whatever's closest to be able to divide. So it's going to be a 0. So 450 divided by 9 then is
Equals 5.
okay. 45 divided by 5 is not 5 and okay. So if the basic fact can be divided by the divisor, okay, then just change that last number or last couple numbers to a 0. Okay, because we're estimating. We're doing about, not exact. Okay? Everybody clear? Okay, next one is what?
Is 1,509 divided by 3.
Again. What is my basic fact, Levi?
15 divided by 3.
Okay, can 15 be divided by 3?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what am I going to do with the rest of the numbers, David?
You're gonna cross it to 0.
Isabel, what am I going to do with the rest of the number? 15 can be divided by 3. So what is... Jimmy. What am I going to turn this number into to make it easy for me to divide? Well, I'm not going to go 150 because I have 4 numbers here. I have to have 4 numbers there. Good, 1,500. 15 divided by 3 is?
5.
How many zeros? There's our answer. Okay, next one.
160.
It doesn't ask you to do it in a high and a low. It doesn't say between, right?
Oh, no.
Okay, Heather, you asked this question earlier. Number 2 through 5, does it ask me for between? Bailey, bring your stuff and come sit here in front of me since you can't stop. If it doesn't say between, do I have to have a high and a low?
No.
No. Correct. If it says between, you need a high and a low. So that would be like on your page number 10 through 13, you need a high and a low. Okay, number 4, 176 divided by 8. Maricela, what is my basic fact? 17, good. Can 17 be divided by 8?
No.
Robert? No. So let's figure out what can. 18. Can 18 be divided by 8?
Yes. Yes.
No. Okay, what can 18? Okay, no it cannot. How about 19?
No.
Okay, I can keep going higher, but I'm going to stop right there because I think that 16, right, if I go one lower,
Yes.
that can be divided by 8.
Yes.
Okay, so 16 divided by 8 is 2, and then 1 0, so it should be 20. Why didn't I keep going?
Because
Why didn't I keep going? Elise.
it would have been a long time. Well, it would have took a long time, and it was just easier to go
Okay,
down.
yeah, I already know that 16, right, can be divided by 8, and it's only 1 step away from the answer, and I'm already 2 steps away, and I still can't divide. So the closest number is 160. Okay, last one. 2,765, right?
95. 97. 2795. Yes,
Thank you.
2,795.
I can't see it, it's upside down. 2,795 divided by? Divided by?
7.
Thank you.
What the?
Nope. Anybody have a question? Mr. Franco, sit down, please.
I have a question.
Okay. Carolina, come sit on the floor. Question?
Is it 20 or 160?
How many numbers? It changed to 160, right? What's 160 divided by 8? Like this right here is not your answer. That's your estimate. 500 is your estimate. Now you got to do the 500 divided by 9, which is it? Oh, why'd you even do 500? I didn't write 500 on the board. No, I did 450 divided by 9. What is the answer? 450 divided by 9. I did write that down. You guys just weren't paying attention. It is 5, but how many zeros? Okay, Gianluca, what is my basic fact?
The estimate.
No? What is my basic fact? What am I going to underline?
279.
Nope. Basic fact is only how many numbers?
27.
2. Okay.
27.
What? 27. Good. Is 27 divisible by 7? Jenna, can I divide 27 by 7?
No.
No, I can't. Okay. Which should be best? Should I go ahead and start going up or start going down? Up. Okay. So this is 2800, right? So there's got to be 4 digits. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. So it can be done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about 26?
No.
How about 25?
No.
Okay, I can stop there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because all I need to know is the answer to this one. 28 divided by 7 is 4. How many zeros?
2. So we added a 0, so it's 400. 5 is 400. 5 is 400.
No. There's a trash can if you need to throw it. Okay. So the answer is 400. All right. For the next, let's do some homework real quick. I'll do homework with you. Okay. Number 4. 179 divided by 9. First thing I'm going to do is what? Najee? I don't round on this. Bailey. Underline my basic fact. 17. Is 17 divisible by 9, Levi? No. Okay, do I want to go up? Do I want to go down? Think I want to go up? Okay.
Go down.
Up. If you go up, it'll be 18. 9 times 2 is 18.
Okay, 18. Is 18 divisible by 9?
Yes.
Okay, how about 16?
No.
Do I need to go any further?
No.
18 divided by 9 is 2. How many zeros?
1. So 4 is 20.
So my answer is 20. Okay, number 6. Number 6. 2116 divided by 7. What do I do first, Jimmy? Not 2000, nope. What do I need to do first? Not changing anything yet. Abhishek. Underline 21. Is 21 divisible by 7? Yes. So what can I do next? What can I do? Alexis. Up to what? 22?
21 is
21 is divisible by 7. So what can I do with that? Jenna. So I'm going to go down to 20. No? Heather.
Well, never mind. You're gonna do 21, and then instead of just doing 16, it would be turning into 2.
Just make them into zeros so I can divide easily. 21 divided by 7 is
3.
How many zeros?
2. Wait, what answer? I'm gonna do this at 6.
Okay, number 10. Okay, Isabel, what do I do next? No, I'm going to wait for Isabel to figure it out because she keeps talking when I'm teaching. So what do I do next? Do you think it'd be wise to pay attention to me while I'm talking instead of playing with your hair and not paying attention? Okay. Robert, what am I going to do next? No. Okay, let's go up. 2600. Is 26 divisible by 6? No. No. I'm going to keep going up. 27. Nope. 28. 29. 30.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
so this
5.
is my high or my low?
500.
Okay. Let's go back down. Bless you.
Thank you, Miss Shirley.
Plus 24.
Okay, so I'm going to 24.
Yes.
6 times 4 equals 24.
Thank you. 6 times 4 is 24. And this is my
But we have 2. But
It says use compatible
Okay, so my answer then is between 400 and 500.
400 and 500.
Between 400.
You're doing 10. We were on 10. Come on, man.
What?
We were on 10.
Oh, sorry.
oh man.
Come on, man. No, I also said it. Me and Brenda said it. We all said it. We, like, a lot of us said it.
Okay. We'll do one more of those. Number 16.
Number 10 is 400. Read them.
So 3,640 divided by 6. Okay, what do I do first? Isabel. Good, I'm going to underline the basic fact. It's 36 divisible by 6.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, so what is going to be my number that I start off with? Because I still need 2 numbers, right? So what's the number I'm going to start off with? Daniel.
37.
Elise.
3,600.
3,600. I'm just going to change the rest of the numbers to 0. And is that high or low?
Low. Wait, no. Yeah. That's the exact answer.
It is not the exact answer. This is the exact answer.
It's a low. It's a low. It's a low.
Okay. 3,600 is less than 3,640, right?
Yeah, it's a low.
0 is less than 40? No, Heather? Okay. This is my low number. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 2 zeros. That is my low number. Okay, now I need to jump up to the next one. 3,700. Nope. 38?
No.
39?
No.
40?
No.
41?
No.
42?
Yes! Yes!
I just say yes.
It was David who did it.
So my answer is between
600, 700.
Okay, so it's almost lunchtime. Go ahead and put this away.